Processing an AR invoice with a payment applied to it. We're going to process an AR invoice for a payment received from a customer for a service you are about to deliver in a few days. We'll first create an invoice, apply a payment to the invoice, and then release the invoice together with the payment. We are on the Receivables dashboard. To create an AR invoice, click the New button beside Invoices and Memos. By default, the system opens Invoice as the document type. Search the customer for whom you want to create this invoice. Notice that once you select a customer, the system populates these fields with relevant details. Add a description. On the Details tab, create a new row. Some columns are populated. Verify the information and change it if required. Describe the transaction. Now, specify the amount paid by the customer in the Extended Price field. Now, save the changes. Notice that the status of this invoice is on hold. Let's now apply the payment to an invoice. To do so, go to the Applications tab and add a row. Make sure the payment option is selected in the Document Type field. Click the Reference Number field and select the invoice. Specify the payment made by the customer in the Amount Paid field. Then, save your changes. Now it's time to release the invoice and the payment applied to it. To do so, click the Remove Hold button. Notice that the status changes from On Hold to Balanced. Now, click Release to complete the transaction. A pop-up message will appear confirming that the transaction has been completed. Notice that the status is now closed because the payment is fully applied to the invoice.